How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Chevrolet C10 Shortbox pickup, done in medium blue and white. It's a factory colors on it. It's a clean Texas truck. Got a very nice paint job on it. It's original grill and grill surround. It's all in really good condition. Front bumper's been replaced. Truck's real straight, flat down the sides. All the side moldings are really nice. They all look like they've been replaced or new. It's got the rear slider. Got a nice tonneau cover on it. It's a rail type, so there's no snaps in the body or anything. So all the tailgate trim and taillight bezels have been replaced. Rear bumper looks like it's been replaced as well. Very nice truck. You see how nice and flat, straight down the sides. The paint's all been sanded and smooth. Very nice. Got a set of vintage Krager SS wheels. Looks real good on the truck with BF Goodrich TA radial tires. Got 350 in it, 4-barrel. It's been updated with electronic ignition. It's a 350 turbo trans. Got your power steering, power disc brakes. Very nicely detailed under the hood. Got the stock exhaust manifolds and just stock factory exhaust on the truck. See, the jams are all real nice. All the door panels, they look really nice. It's original dash, all in good shape. It's got a new dash pad on it. All inside the cab looks real nice. It's all original paint. Got a nice custom cloth seat cover with the vinyl scroll center cert. Tell you, the blue interior I really like in the truck. Looks real nice. Not hot in the sun or anything. Now, all inside the bed is real solid. It's not dented up. It is scratched up from being used. You either put a bed mat in it or paint it, or leave it the way it is. Got AM, FM, cassette radio. Nice trio gauges under the dash, a little more accurate than the original ones. I really like the small sport type mirror on it. Thing fires right up. My wife drove this truck home, about 45-minute ride. Thing drove perfect, rode real nice. Backup lights, everything in it works. Very nice. Just a real good sound truck. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.